Hello everybody, welcome to the first video for how to work with the clear sticky stamping polish from SheModern. So today we're gonna do a simple rose design on a black nail with silver foil. Are you ready to do this together with me? It's very easy. So what we will use is a sheer clear stamping polish today. I also gonna show you all the other materials that I gonna use, and yeah, the video is, I think, a very explanatory as it is. I hope I say that correct. English number one. Hey, you already know me, right? So I'm just running over all the products I'm gonna use. So it is the first time I'm using an acrylic stamping plate, by the way. So yeah, that was really exciting. Okay, so the nails, how I prepare them, I put a color on, this time black. Use a matte top coat and buff them. Okay, so the foil is not gonna stick on the rest of the nail, only on the stamped image. So this is the rose we're gonna stamp, and let's do it. Let's do it. So put your polish on the figure that you want to use. By the way, guys, I left everything in real speed so you can see how long I had the time to play with it. Oh my gosh, it is so magical. You really need to try it to believe it. It's really true, guys. It's amazing. Look at that amazing pickup. Can you see the rose right there? Amazing, right? So just stamp it on the nail just like you would do with any other stamping polish, like that. Bam! But now the extra fun will come in with applying the foil. And oh my god, look at that transfer, right? How amazing is that, right? I'm telling you, everybody needs SheModern stamping polish in their life. You have so much time. Oh my god, no hurry up anymore. Everybody can be a stamping queen right now. Okay, to see if the foil is fitted for the polish, I just try it out on my lint roller. And like you can see, the transfer is nice. So let's use it on my nail. Just plop the foil on the nail, and then we're gonna push it. Okay, push, tap, tap. We don't gonna rub, okay? Don't rub, because you can have areas that are still wet. We are working with stamping polish, okay? Okay, so because we have no fine lines in this design, I can come in with the dabbing technique. So I'm just dabbing the foil on everywhere where I see that the foil is missing, okay? You can not do this technique when you have a design with a lot of fine detail. Otherwise, you will lose the detail. And yeah, you will see that in my video too, okay? Do you see how the fine lines and the leaves are gone? Well, let's fix that with a little brushy brush, like that. Okay, keep an eye on that leaf. Keep an eye on it. Bam! Look at that. Cool, right? So yeah, we are actually almost done, guys. I'm gonna give it a nice glossy top coat and cure it in my lamp for 60 seconds, and that will be it. Nice and easy. Keep an eye out on my new SheModern playlist, where we're gonna do a lot more with the stamping polishes, because yeah, she have them in a lot of colors. And you can also use them with glitters and pigments. So yeah, we definitely gonna play with that as well, okay? So the next video will be a hidden design with foils and glow-in-the-dark pigments. So I'm gonna leave you for now. Geef deze beertjes een brul, rawr, and stay sassy. I hope to see you all later. I love you all. Mwah. Bye-bye. Did you already subscribe to my channel? Don't forget to do it if you like the video. And also don't forget to bump the little thumbs up, okay?